If you're worried about accidents or theft when your car is parked, you're definitely not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Teransol 4K Dash Cam. The Teransol D016 caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive specs, especially considering its price of $139.32. If you want ultra-clear footage from both the front and rear, this is worth a serious look. This dash cam packs a punch with 4K recording for both the front and rear cameras, meaning you can capture detailed images even in tricky situations. The front camera has a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, giving you a comprehensive view of the road ahead. If an incident happens, you'll be able to zoom in and identify crucial details from far away. It also includes a free 128 GB memory card, which is a nice perk, so you're ready to record right out of the box. Now here's why this matters for you specifically. With built-in GPS, you can track your speed and location, which adds another layer of evidence in case of an accident. Plus, the 24-hour parking mode means your vehicle is monitored around the clock, capturing any incidents when you're not around. However, a separate hardwire kit is needed for that parking mode, just something to keep in mind. I did find some complaints about the app connectivity being a bit finicky at times. Now, here's the thing though, as someone who values easy access to footage, I found it manageable. If you're not too tech-savvy, this might be a slight drawback for you. This is perfect for you if you want high-resolution footage and the flexibility of app control for easy viewing. Skip this one if you're looking for a plug-and-play solution without extra setups like a hardwire kit. For the price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if that app connectivity bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. Next up is the Rove R2 4K Dual, which also comes in at $139.34. This one really impressed me with its dual recording capabilities. Front at 4K and rear at 1080p, the 4K resolution on the front camera ensures that you don't miss any details, while the rear camera captures everything behind you in full HD. The addition of the Sony SDARVIS2 sensor means it excels in low-light situations, which is essential if you're often driving at night. With a viewing angle of 150 degrees for the front and 140 degrees for the rear, you'll get a broader perspective of what's happening around you. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The super-fast 5G Wi-Fi allows you to download footage in seconds, making it easy to share important clips with anyone. Plus, the built-in GPS not only tracks speed, but also embeds that information directly into your videos, adding an extra layer of evidence. Some users mentioned that the installation could be a bit tricky, especially for those who aren't familiar with tech. But honestly, I found the detailed manual pretty helpful. If you're someone who prefers intuitive setups, this might take a little extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a dual recording setup with fast downloads and excellent low-light performance. Skip this one if installation hassle is a deal-breaker for you. At this price point, it's definitely worth considering. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you're focused on night vision. Product number 3, REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam. Coming in at $164.67, we have the REDTIGER F7NP, which is another solid choice for those who prioritize night vision. Its combination of a 4K front camera with a 1080p rear camera is impressive. The 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and 140 degrees rear lens mean you'll capture everything without any blind spots, which is crucial for safety. What's really cool is the built-in Wi-Fi and the ability to download footage at up to 20 MB, as this means you can quickly share important clips with friends or family. The 24-hour parking mode is another feature that really gives peace of mind, ensuring your car is protected even when you're away. However, I did see some feedback about the audio recording quality not being great. Now, here's the thing though, most people are more interested in the video quality for evidence than the sound, so it might not matter to you. This is ideal if you often drive at night and want reliable footage in all conditions. Skip this one if you need high-quality audio recordings as well. It offers a good balance of price and performance. If you're looking for more than just front and rear footage, keep listening, because the next camera offers something unique. Product number 4, Teransol 4K Triple Dash Cam. Next up is the Teransol D018, priced at $164.66, and this one really stands out with its triple camera setup. If you want full coverage from all angles, this is a fantastic choice. With 4K recording for both the front and rear cameras and 1080p for the cabin, you're getting a comprehensive view of everything happening inside and outside your vehicle. This is perfect for family trips or rideshare drivers who need extra security. The 170 degrees front and 150 degrees rear and cabin angles ensure nothing slips by unnoticed. What's really impressive is its built-in GPS, which tracks your speed and location, embedding that data directly into your video. This is crucial if you ever need to provide proof of your driving circumstances. One downside I noticed was that the cabin camera may not be as essential for everyone. Now here's the thing, if you don't often have passengers or use your car for ride-sharing, that extra camera might not be worth the investment for you. This is perfect if you want a comprehensive view of your vehicle's surroundings, especially for rideshare or family use. Skip this one if you only need front and rear coverage. For the price, the extra features really add value. If the extra camera wasn't your thing, the next option offers a more straightforward approach. Product number 5, Teransol 3-Channel Dashcam. Finally, we have the Teransol 3-Channel Dashcam, which retails for $126.67. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, yet it still delivers solid performance. With UHD 4K front recording and 1080p for both the rear and cabin cameras, you're getting reliable footage from every angle. Plus, the built-in GPS adds that extra level of detail to your recordings. It also features 8 GHz Wi-Fi, allowing for quick video downloads, which is incredibly useful when you want to share important clips. The collision sensor ensures that when an impact occurs, the footage is locked away for your protection. However, some users found the installation manual a bit confusing. I'll be real with you, if you're not the DIY type, this might be a bit of a challenge. But if you prefer a straightforward camera without all the bells and whistles, it's definitely worth it. This is ideal if you want an affordable yet effective dash cam that covers all angles. Skip this one if you prefer a more advanced setup or extensive features. For the price, it's a great entry-level choice. Now, let's wrap up and compare these great options as we reach the end of our list. So to quickly compare, the Teransol D016 is fantastic for anyone needing high-resolution footage and easy app access. The Rove R2 4K dual shines in low-light situations with quick downloads. The RED TIGR F7NP is great for night driving, while the Teransol D018 offers comprehensive trip coverage with 3 cameras. Finally, the Teransol 3-Channel Dashcam provides a budget-friendly option without sacrificing performance. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Rove R2 4K Dual because of its superior low-light performance and fast download speeds, which are crucial for quick evidence sharing. Avoid the Teransol 3-Channel Dashcam if you need advanced features, as it's more basic in comparison. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.